1, 2, testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2, baby. Let's go to Tropical Smoothie Cafe. So somebody else was really intrigued with this little setup I got going on here. Let me tell you something that's bothering me. Like my phone and the alignment of my tripod's button and the name, like it's not lining up and it's like bothering me. But anyway, so yeah, it was cool. They were like, hey, what kind of tripod is that? What is this? What is that? He's like, do you use that for vlogging? I'm like, yeah, I use it to vlog all the time. Like, he's pretty cool. I thought that I'm sure I'm still getting weird looks, but the fact that I walk in and it's like, oh, look at him, he's vlogging. Like I said, man, telling a story is very powerful, man. People watch stories all the time. They just think it's crazy because it's on YouTube. But you go to the movies and you watch a big screen story all the time, right? Why is mine any different? Because it's on a small screen and free. I think I'm starting to feel some kind of like fuck it. This is just what I do. You know what I mean? In Payway, I've never heard of this place before, so I don't know what to tell you. But come on, lady. Well, chop chop. Like, you're staring at me for her. This one right here. All right, so we're on Payway. This is that right there. Picking up for somebody named Jose. Fresh, made fast for you. All right, let's see what they got here. They got bourbon chicken, orange chicken, fried shrimp. Oh, all right, thank you. Yeah, pretty cool stuff here. I got looks. Did you see that? They couldn't stop looking. What is that? It's just a cell phone and a tripod, people. All right, let's go find. Uber be giving some bad directions, bro. Like, it could have just namely said that it was right across the street. That was easy. They should all be like that. She was like, come here. Here it is, right here. Bam.
Harley.
Harley. No, she's not gonna jump.
As long as you don't get close to her, she won't.
Is this where I pick up Uber orders?
Yes.
I'm picking up for Matthew.
Matthew?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. All right, Jason, let's go and get your food. This is in J Marks. We came here a couple days ago. I told you it was loud as hell in there. Mazda CX-5. This time I'm going in the correct door. All right, Jason, we got your food. Matthew. I was told to leave this for Matthew.
Matthew? Okay. All right, thank you.
Thank you. My mics are gonna die. And I have no way to charge them out here. We've been out here for about, I don't know, we left the house 10:30. And it is just after 4 or about to be 4, and we made $30, and 20 of that we ate. So that's just putting back the $20 that we made because we ate. So essentially, we haven't made anything. We've been out here all day. We need enough money to eat, and that's it. So, but it was supposed to be slow. It's according to the trends on Uber, it's supposed to pick up now. So I don't know how long are we gonna be out here, but Lexi's over there in the back in the trunk tearing something up. I don't know what she's doing. But look at my girl right here. The 3 of us, well, y'all know if y'all been watching this vlog, the 3 of us have been going pretty much non-stop for the last 2 weeks. And Harley, nobody thought about how exhausted Harley would be either. And yesterday when we got to my son's house, I went to sleep. We got back from Lexi's interview at like 10. Oh my God, I got something on my beard. We got back from Lexi's interview like around 10, and I fell asleep. And Lexi and Harley came in sometime during mid-afternoon, and she crashed out.
She didn't even want to eat.
Yeah, she didn't even want to eat because she was exhausted.
She was just fell out.
Right, baby? Right? Harley. So I was tired too, Dad. Yeah, she was exhausted. And we didn't really think about her like that. Like, because she's a dog. Earnings are in. I got 542. 542, baby. Somebody tipped me 542. But, you know what I'm saying? Harley, what are you doing?
Not minding her business.
So nobody really thought, how's Harley holding up with it?
Yeah, because she's got to be in everything.
But she was exhausted. She slept pretty good last night too. And make sure, hold on, my mic is on. Yep, mic is on. All right, we're picking up for Lynn. I just tried looking up a job for another quick lube spot, and nobody's hiring for corporate positions. Everybody's just hiring for service centers. How you doing? I'm here to pick up for Lynn. Oh my God. Syrup? No, I'm just playing. So my mic is not gonna last. So we are done for the night, man. We made what we made, and